Ni mu gihe abaturage ba Ukraine bakomeje guhunga biyongera umunsi ku munsi. Ni mu gihe kandi perezida wa Russia cyangwa se perezida w'igihugu cy'Uburusiya Vladimir Putin atarava ku izima ku mwanzuro yafashe yo guhagurutsa cyangwa se yo gutangiza gukoresha intwaro kirimbuzi mu gihugu cya Ukraine. Njyewe nitwa Jayce. Kora subscribe ndetse ukande share uhereze n'abandi, uduhe igitekerezo cy'ibyo ubona twakora ndetse uduhe inyunganizi. Reka dukurikire rero umwanzuro wa Putin wo guhagurutsa intwaro kirimbuzi nyuma yo gufatirwa ibihano bikakaye n'ibihugu by'Uburayi, ndetse akanavuga yuko atazava ku izima na rimwe igihe cyose igihugu cya Ukraine kizaba kikiri mu muryango wa NATO. Yavuze yuko aho kugira ngo iki gihugu kibe isibaniro ry'intambara, we yashoza urugamba. Nitwa Jayce, iyi ni MTV Mwarimu TV. Komeza ukurikire video zacu hano ndetse unarebe n'izindi zikurikira. Tuzahure mu biganiro bikurikira. Macron yatangaje yuko isi yose igiye guhura n'akaga k'imperuka. Reka dukurikire uko ibintu bimeze cyangwa uko bikomeje kugenda.
Kiev remains under Ukrainian control, but the capital is in Russia's crosshairs. Vladimir Putin puts his nuclear forces on high alert, and Russia's currency, the ruble, plummeted against the dollar early this morning. Good morning and welcome to Morning Joe. It is Monday, February 28th. Let's dive right in as the fighting rages on for the fifth day. Ukrainian resistance has slowed down the Russian advance, but it is still pushing forward into the country, according to a U.S. senior defense official. Last night, Russian forces claimed to have captured a Ukrainian port city of 100,000 people, but Kiev is still under Ukraine's control, although satellite images showed Russian troops advancing toward the capital. This, as Ukrainian officials say, after intense fighting, they took back control of Kharkiv, the country's second largest city. According to the Ukrainian health minister, more than 350 people have died since the Russian invasion began, including 16 children. Meanwhile, neighboring Belarus, Russia's ally, may be prepared to join in with the war, with Ukrainian intelligence suggesting Belarus is showing readiness to maybe participate directly, according to a CNN report. Now, last week, the Belarusian president said his country could join the invasion, quote, if it becomes necessary. Delegations from both